This is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change dock size on Macbook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. The dock is an integral part of your Mac computer interface, so naturally you might want to customize the all-important dock so it looks exactly how you want. The good news is that Apple lets you to do just that. You can adjust your dock size on your MacBook. So how to do it? So it's so simple. As you can see, my dock size on my MacBook is like this. If you want to check it, you can open the system preferences. After that, you'll see there is an option dock and menu bar. You can just click on that. And you'll find there is an option size, dock size. You can just adjust the size by slide this adjuster. If you want to make it bigger, you can slide to right. If you want to make your dock size smaller, you can slide to left like this. You can see the differences, the changes on your docks, on your computer, on your MacBook. So simple, right? So that is how to change your dock's size on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.